Hi, and welcome to another tutorial with Mr. Pechmo. Today we're going to go over all of the aspects of the stream on Google Classroom. So the stream is the main page where you're going to post comments, or you can have class discussions, or many other possibilities. So the first thing you will know is this is where your class code is posted, where you can click that display button and invite students with the code in a classroom. For us, we're going to be doing mostly distance learning now, so this feature is not very usable for us. But we could copy and paste this if we have students who have not yet joined, and email them this code, and they can manually join Classroom with that. So it is useful for distance. The theme is right here. You can select a theme, and there are a lot of different themes to pick from. You have many categories to choose from, and they're fun. Oh, I'm always a sucker for purple. I love purple. So I'm going to change my theme to the sciencey purple background. I love that. You can also upload your own photo if you wish and set that as your theme. The only trouble with that is sometimes it stretches and skews that picture, and it doesn't exactly do properly. Also, it has to be 800 pixels, so I am not going to be able to upload that welcome picture that I picked. So I'm going to leave my purple sample, my purple theme as my my main theme. So next we will move on down to the mainstream. So I have made a new post. Hello, welcome to my sample classroom. In order to post this, I have a few settings that I need to address, and one is which classroom out of all my Google Classrooms do I want to post this for. So you can post to multiple classrooms. Those of you who like maybe have 3 or 4 for example, grade 5 math, and they're all the same, and there are 4 different sections, you can go right on here and select all 4 of them to post the same streaming post for them. You can also open up the student options, and you can uncheck students who would not be appropriate for the post, or who you do not want to have to complete that assignment or that topic. You can actually uncheck their names and just do specific students. Right now I'm going to leave it for all students. I'm going to type my welcome message. Hello, welcome to the sample classroom. And since I couldn't get my welcome sign as my theme, I am going to add it right to this post. So I'm going to click, everybody watch that, click the add button, and I'm going to choose file, because this is a hard download, and I'm going to go to select files from my device. If I'm going too quickly for you, go ahead and pause, and you can resume once you do. Now this opens up the this PC window, and mine are under downloads, but typically sometimes your computer is set to throw them into different files. So typically it's in either documents, downloads, or pictures. Those 3 folders are the most common recipients of downloads. For me, mine went straight to my downloads folder, and there's my welcome JPG. I'm going to double click that. It's going to hit the upload button. It's going to take just a moment to upload that, and then my image is going to show up into my stream. So before I post, I have a couple options. I can post it immediately, I can schedule it for a post, or I can save the draft. If I don't have all the information yet, but I wanted to get the draft started, I can save it as a draft and finish editing it later. Scheduling is really handy when you want to plan out your week. So depending on how far ahead you plan things, you can schedule your whole class out and write a new post and schedule it for whichever day you pick on into the next month, and you can even have the time that you want it to schedule. So I'm going to cancel that, and I'm just going to post this just like it is, and let's see how this turns out. Let's all watch how this looks for students. So it just has the little welcome JPG. You can click on it and make it big, and nothing fantastic. So classes have the option to comment. Right now I have the stream turned off, but I'm going to turn that back on. Only teachers can post or comment. That was covered in a previous tutorial. I'm going to turn that back on to students can post and comment, and I'm going to save that. Now students have the ability to come into the class comment and post things, post a comment to this, or they can share something with the class as well. So, oops, sorry. So that is the basic of the stream. All of your assignments are saved, and you will just be able to go down the list and scroll down and see past ones. You also have an upcoming window feature that's really handy. Because as you schedule assignments out, if you're a scheduler and you schedule them out, you can see what's coming. This is due Wednesday, my ancient Greek. And I can go into view all, and it will be listed one after another here, what all is due. And I can keep my classroom completely organized and on schedule. So basically that is it for the stream, and our next topic is going to be emailing your classroom. So thank you for watching another Mr. Pachmo tutorial, and have a good day.